So another buy signal for Litecoin is on the way right about here at this 21 EMA. Who will be buying the dip, and will this be the next leg up towards $100? Or is this correction going to continue downwards and test these important trendline levels? I'm here to help you find that out in this video. So how's everyone doing? John here with Currency.com again with another video on Litecoin, talking about the trader sentiment, support, resistance, the latest news, and then we'll jump into the chart and have a look at the price action. And Litecoin updates are one of the favorites from our subscribers, so we will keep giving you guys some constant updates. And speaking of subscribers, thanks to everyone who's been subscribing to the channel and liking all the videos. If you are new and you enjoy and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As soon as you're done that, you can check out the channel. We have lots more videos that come out weekly, but let's not waste any time and jump right into it. And as of right now, the trend is still bullish for Litecoin. The sentiment is getting pushed down towards the bears right now. The price leaning towards the low of the day, making new lows. And that $80 support level that we did have has officially broken down. So now it's time to see if the bulls will be buying the dip and if they will continue to push forward. Okay, so let's have a look at support and resistance levels real quick. $75 is the first one, right where the price wicked down to, which is the 21-day EMA. $69 is after that, which is the August highs. And then that $60 range is the last support after that, which has been a strong yearly support in the previous years. So in terms of resistance, we're gonna have to look at $80 to $85, which was the previous yearly high. And then after that, we'll need to watch $95, which right now is the yearly high. And then $100 for Litecoin, which is a psychological resistance level. So some quick news updates here. Binance has announced that they will be listing option contracts for Litecoin, and Litecoin is Binance's 6th option contract listed. And also Charlie Lee says that Litecoin will be back on top in the top 10 and will flip Bitcoin Cash's spot. Because you can see on the top 10 right now on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin are in 5th and 6th place. Bitcoin Cash's market cap is 5.2 billion and Litecoin's right at 5 billion. So it's not too far away from flipping that spot. But one crypto that Litecoin is planning on working with is Cardano, and they're still working on the Velvet fork. This is the most recent update right now. Too much has been going on other than mostly discussions within the community about the development. So last thing to report here on Litecoin, Grayscale's Litecoin Trust is taking off right now, trading at about a 6,000% premium, as you can see here. But let's review the price action right now and see if this dip right now is worth buying. So now that Litecoin has officially tested that $80 yearly high range, so what's the plan now for the bulls and also for the bears? Litecoin crossed over the 200-day moving average here and went on a massive run up, and it was about 100%. Recently here, the price came down to that 21-day moving average. It's looking like it is trying to find support here, which will end up bouncing to go test that $80 range once again. And as you can see, similar to other times in this trend, the price has came down to that 21 moving average and then bounced off and continues its way upwards. So a dip right now was needed for this run up, and the price now will most likely form a bull flag in this range before continuing the trend. As for the bulls, what we're going to need to look for is for this 75 range to hold off up until the market becomes a little bit more stable again. And if that 21-day EMA does fail to hold, then we'll need to watch the 50 next, which would be the trend defense line. But if we do bounce at this current level right here, then you can expect a breakout past that $80 level, since that would be the third time and that resistance zone would now become weaker. And then the breakout for the third time would more than likely be the one that brings us right up here to about $100. And now on the bearish side in the short term, a lot of shorts are covering in this range. You can see the RSI is down to the oversold, and also we are trading quite below range. The last time we were down at these levels, you can see here, price had quite a big bounce upwards. So if the price does find a support in this range here, then the same thing will likely happen. But if you are bearish and you want to continue to short this down, then you're going to look for a small relief bounce below that $80 range. An entry there would be ideal, which would give Litecoin a lower high, and then you could short it down to this support range at about $60, which then would bring the price down below the 50-day moving average, which could be a reversal of the bull trend. So that's it for this video on Litecoin. Do you guys think the bull market is going to continue and the buy the dip squad is going to come back in and the rally is going to continue? Or has Litecoin topped out for the year? Let me know what you think right in the comments below, because it would be great to discuss and also see your feedback on this video. But thanks for tuning in. It's John from Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.